Hello, delightful people. You're welcome. In today's video, I would like to share with you how I made this beautiful and amazing banana wine. So, if you want to learn how I made this wine, keep watching. We'll start by washing our banana. You need to wash your banana before you make use of it, because we are going to leave this to ferment for days. So you need to wash it thoroughly. Next is to peel and cut the bananas into smaller chunks with your hands. This local banana wine has a lot of health benefits. It controls blood pressure, it boosts immune system. Fermented banana drink is high in potassium. It also helps with digestion. It has a lot of health benefit. It has antibacterial properties. It's very good for people with blood pressure. It's also good for kidney. It has a lot of health benefit. So next is to add half cup of sugar. You can skip this if you don't like sugar in your wine, but adding sugar helps to achieve the desired fermented flavor and get a good fermentation process. So next we'll add 3 liters of water. So for more interesting videos, guys, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are coming across our video for the first time and you find this video interesting and helpful. And thank you so much to all our subscribers and returning viewers. God bless you for always tuning in to watch. Please like, share and comment. Thank you so much. Cover and wrap with a towel, then keep it in a warm, dark place. For you to achieve a good result, use very ripe banana. So on the day 3, our banana wine drink recipe is ready. So I will go ahead to filter it now. So our banana wine drink is ready after we have filtered it. You can serve it at that point or you serve it chilled. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.